Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error 0x8007003b on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, this error occurs when you are trying to transfer larger files over a network connection, which is not the usual network connection. So, what do I mean by this? It could be Microsoft Store, it could be a VPN, it could be anything. Now, I use various VPNs, and here's my advice. Right click on the start button, select settings, and then go to the apps tab, select installed apps, and then if you have any specific VPN here, for example, let's assume this was a VPN, I would simply uninstall it. Okay, so this is if it is a recurring issue, otherwise I would simply disable it for the time when I am transferring the files, because you do not need a VPN to transfer files. And if the situation is such that you have to transfer that file through a VPN only, if there are geo restrictions on that file transfer, then there is no solution to this issue. Now, this is for the part with the VPN. A lot of users are not claiming it for VPN. They are claiming it while accessing the Microsoft Store or downloading from the Microsoft Store. So, a very simple solution is to press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and reopen it. Though what has happened is that we have deleted the cache for the Microsoft Store and the settings have been reset, and it usually works in most of the cases. And if that doesn't work either, then I will suggest a network reset. So other websites and channels are suggesting a lot of solutions, but when I say network reset, basically we are performing a lot of commands like IP reset, resetting the WinSock, and then resetting the IP address, and then flushing the DNS, and a lot more commands. So one button for all of them. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab, select advanced network settings, go to network reset, click on reset now, click on yes, and that's done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.